Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision. The Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision is a complete treatment for smooth and soft feet, as it easily and quickly removes the old and hard skin on your heels, and gently eliminates the rough and dry skin on your feet. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. Thanks to its exfoliating synthetic diamond crystal material, the Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision appliance removes calluses and dead skin, leaving your skin perfectly smooth and soft to the touch. It has a light and modern design, easy and painless to use. This card contains a 3-year warranty against all defects or faults in manufacturing or materials. This user manual provides instructions to end users on how to properly and effectively operate the Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision, and it is in English and Arabic. This Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision operates with 3 AA 1.5 voltage batteries. This Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision appliance includes 2 interchangeable and washable rollers. An exfoliating roller, gray inside, with quick speed, for quick and effective removal of calluses, and a gentle finishing roller, green inside, with slow speed, for ultra-soft, extra supple skin. Besides the 2 rollers, the Babyliss Pedi's Secret Precision appliance has 2 different speeds. Please like, comment, and subscribe.